That is it, man. Wagwan on dep and welcome forward to the channel. You see it, and you don't know today the day red and white day. You see it first, me have to big up my baby mother Sandy. You see it, we are approach 17 years. You see it, yeah, man. But you don't know Queenie. Yeah, man, from the interview upon tea time, you don't know Queenie come out hard and I hit back at Dewey, you see, but you don't know. I tell Queenie, I tell Dewey, say, you forward over, man, come apologize to the Queen and Becky thing work and them thing they say, if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share, subscribe to the TV. And you can all follow up on Instagram at Sandy and Bones TV and with the TikTok as the same name as Facebook too, you see me, but you don't know Queenie, they have event, you see it, but Eventually, yeah, she just a bad and I say, yo, do it. Read between the line, forward over, you know the code, you see it. So we just go forward and check out that video there, you see me?
I just my wreck. Me no wreck him, I live life. The boy joyful and happy and I go out with himself and face and rank. Watch the interview for myself. I sit down and watch the full interview for myself. I may say, well, in the last part of them, I feel force him say, and who else he send request to? And who else? Because him say, well, him say fluently about me, but when them tell him say big up, we go and big up, he never big me up. Who again, and the little must have say, you know what, well done, whatever how it is. I appreciate it. So me sit down and talk to God 5 months ago and say, Father God, more one day me do it come reach out to me because I couldn't so bad no matter what. Nothing could I never just go so him just disappear and just can't even say hi. So I feel good and me him go over there go say, him wife, me say, what already I tell me, I say, me now look. Because we take the interview and me them that I got done. When me listen to the interview, yes, sister, the interview wasn't meant for me. It was him and tried to do the interview. Because I never watch it all along, sit down and take it in, and I just listen and say, So I pray and watch it back. The interview wasn't meant for me in the first place. But when we had to take Dewey, and Dewey see where all of them do him, and them sister none of them don't make no sense, I say, I want wife no matter what, and I big up my wife. My man married to be though. So you see no matter what him do, I have that pan Dewey. And I mean beg Dewey for married to be. If that way Dewey can't forget them moments right crazy, you understand me? But can't when me say you're married to me, him said, you know, say from when you want married, I grant your wish. You know? So it's when everything bad come, I go stand pray for him. I'm not going to run him down and look him and tell him I want him back. Because it never fights for me. But I still going to stand behind my marriage. True. So, I know my husband think I remember the nice time I'm right crazy. He's like that person, I'm a lenient person. When I done vent and put everything on the board. I like to give and take. I'm a fear within myself. So it's when me remember back all out. Me, we throw the whole out in a for my marriage. Me. Let me tell you to the Valentine. Don't get this twisted. On a can't buy me out. On a can't pray me out. On a can't cry me out. On a can't sing my blood. You see, if you not support me out, on a support me for me, for whatever make me happy. So if you're not going to support me and then me say this to make me happy, I want to go back to that. And I'm going to tell me, say me not to go back to that. No, dirty, no, me take the cloth and throw it. I feel like, I supported Queenie and I helped Queenie cry. And if Queenie have a one day put up this, or one day, me no own none cloth or nothing. I'm a real as the day, I'm not fool or no. Me not pull up on the oats, me tell you no as it is. I'm not buying no bad ticket off for me, because I can't buy no for myself. I'm not too stink. It's true. Later, baby. Facts me talk. You know my time for cry, baby. When I talk about crime, I talk about logic. Me know that joyful, happy-go-lucky spirit soul for somebody. And sometimes I look at some of my videos and I say, Bubble Clap, I laugh. Remember the memories. I don't hold a grudge against them. You understand me? On the internet, when me for watch the things them my heart leave cause I know so them out there for destroy me. So by if you look at the first message Jesus Christ God, what am I saying? So my heart will leave. So me not watch it. Cause if me go watch it for me my heart leave, it gonna make me up on the internet a cuss. So what me do? Me just go to one of my little opera and I say, you watch something? What them saying that? What them saying that? You see when me hear what them saying that it now and it not so and so, but when me go peep. You understand the levels? So me is that and the whole world is against me. You see from you understand? My voice, my word count. You understand me? Yeah. Where have you been Eva Boss? You know, long me not see my Dan. Happy Valentine's, Eva Boss, Queen Wave. Happy Valentine's, Queen, what's up? I'm here a long time in a fear, Mr. Foreigner. Why, Queen? I'm proud of you now. Thank you, I'm proud of myself too. Say, congratulations, Queen. Oh, God, I'm so excited that I don't want to scream. God, good, you know. A good man, it's a big and milestone, man, a true man. God is great. Listen, God, trust, I don't want to get overexcited. I'm just proud and just give God all the glory. So I'm going to go through. I'm going to stand up and still push through myself. That is heaven, sir. True, man. And it motivates a lot of people because, you know, so much people reach out to me and ask me a little question and a little something, and I tell them a little procedure, and you know, it's a big improvement. I feel the type of person me is, I know people have all 10 times that to me have, you know. But everybody appreciation in our life is different and everybody aura is different. Now if I have a matches box, I will turn that matches box into a mansion just of my personality and me being Queenie. And it's a matches box, you know, you have a boss. You're a superstar. No, so Queenie is a great star that you know you have. No, I'm just to give you an example. Sir, my IQ to life, the way I appreciate and excited to life, it can be a matches box. I'm going to take that matches box in my mind and turn it in a mansion. And just because I do that, it just causes grudge shame me. But it's just my touch of it. Yeah, man, beautiful, man. True. Okay. Go on the side, triple. Doing our movie. To do it for go moving with Uno. And all who they breathe for do it and I make Mr. for do it. Uno and him for go moving. Move on the dot. Whether I share up my property or no, I share up and move on the dot. I'm going. Tired of one, man. I'm going to look some score and go score some part, man. But I want to achieve. Take on the motor house. On our win, you can't write well from us. I was kidding. Yeah, you hear me? Yeah, Baba. Them for humble themselves, man. Them for humble themselves and enjoy the ride. Every minute them depend. Do we know I come in and do look like him busy but me a house? Every minute to not and why man, the man look like him want no business with me. See man guy but still. Do we come? The boy no want the Yeah. Me can't think about if. When that time they come and deal with it, fear much say no, come back upstairs. Me can't answer that now. Because that time they have to happen for me know what I'm going to say at the minute. Me can't answer now to ignorance. Me can't answer now for impress the people. Them. It's not going to be a genuine answer because I'm not even ask me. You understand the levels? So each time somebody asks me that question, them I get 10 different answers the right person asks the question. Yes, me don't know either for two able. Me don't know where going to be the question able. Me don't know because I can't be defensive now and maybe him say me get defensive or more. And then maybe him say to me just go so I don't throw your head for one and then I like it. Let's move now, let's go. Let's go. Where's let's go? Let's go. Come open the car right in there, jump in the back of the car. Please. Let me wash up my fingers.